Good morning, y'all. My skin literally hates me so bad right now. It's like 10:30. I got up at 8-ish. I've just been laying in bed. I'm so tired. But I need to go to the gym, unfortunately. It's like really the last thing I want to do today. But whatever. I literally can't make up my life. Maddie just texted me and she was like, hey, can you get sushi with me tomorrow? And I'm like, yeah. So we're going to get sushi on Sunday night at like 8:45, which is just entirely past my bedtime, but that's okay. It should be fun. I also think I'm gonna like dress up. So I'm also cracking open an energy drink because I have to go work out. It's almost 1. And I should eat lunch before I go. But like, oh my god, hitting legs right now literally makes me want to like off myself. Oh, this is fire. Hey y'all, trying to set you up with my water bottle. I have the biggest unboxing in the entire world because I ordered things and then they all came at once. So let's open them. These, oh, I know what these are. Okay, so I got long bands. I need to test them out first. I might have to return them, but I'm supposed to be doing banded bicep curls now. And I was like, I only have my little like teeny tiny orange bands. So it came in a pack of 5. Oh, I got birthday candles because I have this like idea in my brain on how I want to do it, but I got a 2 and a 4. 2 and a 4. Cool. You'll see my Instagram photos on what I want to do with those candles by the time this vlog's up because I am late on posting stuff. I got, because I'm going to be traveling this summer and I don't know who has scales and I have to weigh myself. Oh, I just gave myself a paper cut. I got like this mini bathroom scale. I don't know. I don't really understand how she works. But we're about to find out. Okay. Well, how do I switch it from kilograms? So there's a unit switch. Oh. See if this is anywhere accurate. That's pretty dang accurate. Okay, sick. So this will be my little scale that I bring along. I don't understand why they're shipping all of this in different boxes. I don't understand Amazon sometimes. Oh, I got a case of my favorite energy drinks. It's the Rain Berry flavor. They're so good. And then I got a couple bras to try, so I need to try them on. This is supposed to be like a Skims dupe, and I love my Skims bra. So we're gonna try her out, and then we're also gonna try this one, which I think I have one that looks just like this, but yeah, because now I have to go in the office, I have to like start wearing real bras. And because sports bras and work clothes don't get along, unfortunately. I ran out of mouthwash last night, so I got mouthwash from Amazon because I knew I wasn't going to stop at the store. That's probably wasteful and I should have just went to the store, but like, it was cheaper online, so. I got little candles that are like black, gold, and white. I don't know if I'll use those, but it could be good to have. I don't know what's in here. This is huge. Oh well. I got this because I wanted it as like a little cupcake topper thing. This one's huge, but it'll do the job. Oh well. Boxes, boxes. What is this? Oh, I got a row of clothes. I'm gonna keep that, guys. But oh, I also got a little red lipstick so I could do this thing for my birthday. I also got this little happy birthday tiara. Okay. So we're gonna see if these even maybe, oh my god, those are so ugly. Okay, those are going back. These two things need to get returned. And then these are gold balloons. And then I got a little birthday candle. I'm gonna keep these because I might need them for the other pillows I got. But those also could be ugly. I don't know. We shall see. And then I got a scale, batteries, a bonnet. This is lotion. cables for my computer. Jesus. Okay, and then this is my dark sport try-on order. So, first I got this like minimal bra, like the Gymshark one. I should try this on to even see if it fits, because if it doesn't fit, I'm kind of screwed. And then I got these dark sport shorts because I'm obsessed with dark sport shorts. I feel like they make me feel so good. Oh my god, I'm an idiot. Bought two of the same sweatshirt by accident. So, we got this green sweatshirt. Why did I accidentally buy two of them? You're actually so stupid. Well, I have to find someone to either buy that off me or so stupid. How did I do that? Well, put it on Poshmark, I guess. Hello, y'all. I just threw on lashes and self-tanned. It's like 9. I'm eating my yogurt and my oatmeal before I go to bed. But I wish I would have eaten this earlier, but honestly, here we are. Hey y'all, I just cleaned my apartment. I'm gonna go for a walk with Maddie at 3, so I have like 45-ish minutes. I think I'm gonna do my renewal for my car while I'm waiting. And yeah, my head hurts, so that's fun. But yeah, that's really all I gotta say. Hey y'all, I just literally took so many photos for my birthday. You'll see them on my Instagram. But I wanted to show you what I'm wearing tonight because I love it. I'm obsessed. Okay, hold on, let me get you on the tripod. Okay, jumpsuits from Lulu's. We've worn her before. We left a little open back. The shoes though are the moment. They're little Steve Maddens. Hold on. They're like little bow Steve Maddens. I'm obsessed. Yeah, that's the vibe. I love to say it. But yeah, anyway. Toodles.
one more again, back one more again.